These enchiladas suizas are one of my favorite Mexican comfort foods. They are so delicious, so let me go ahead and show you how I made them. We're going to start by boiling 3 chicken breasts. Once you see this foam build up, we remove it. Then we're going to add 1/4 of an onion, 2 garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon. Once the chicken is fully cooked, after about 45 minutes, we remove it, we shred it, and we set it to the side. Next, we're going to boil 10 tomatillos, 2 serrano peppers, 1/4 of an onion, and 2 garlic cloves. Once the tomatillos turn a lighter green, we remove them and set them to the side. We're also going to roast 1 large poblano pepper. Once it looks like this, we add it in a Ziploc bag, close it up, and let it sweat for 10 minutes. Then with the help of a napkin, we remove the skin and also deseed the chile. Now we can place everything in the blender with a handful of cilantro, half a cup of sour cream, 4 ounces of cream cheese, 1 cup of chicken broth, half a tablespoon of salt, and half a tablespoon of chicken bouillon. After it's well blended, we're going to add it to our pan, which is hot, with a little bit of oil. After it comes to a simmer, we add a dash of cumin and we mix. And now your salsa is ready. Next, we're going to fry our corn tortillas in some oil. We let them cook for about 10 seconds on each side and we remove them. Next, we're going to add some of the green sauce to the bottom of the baking dish, and we're going to start to assemble our enchiladas. We add the shredded chicken, some of the green sauce, and your favorite melting cheese. I'm using Monster cheese. We roll them up and we add them to the baking dish. Once the dish is full, then we can drench the enchiladas with the creamy green sauce. Finally, we top them off with more Monster cheese, and we're going to bake them at 350 for about 15 minutes, just until the cheese gets nice and melted. And just like that, our super delicious enchiladas suizas are ready to enjoy.